Ready? Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 11/4/2017 passed by the Division Bench of the High Court of Judicature at Patna in letters patent appeal number 1099 or 2016, by which, the Division Bench of the High Court had dismissed the said appeal preferred by the state and has confirmed the judgment and order dated 2/9/2015 passed by the learned single judge, holding that respondent number 1, being widow of the deceased employee, would be entitled for grant of family pension from the date of death of her husband, the state of Bihar has preferred the present appeals. Stop para. The husband of respondent number 1 herein joined the Bihar Research Society, an autonomous society registered under the Society Act, as a peon. Stop. The said society was taken over by the government of Bihar YD Bihar Research Society Taking Over Act 2007. Stop. By resolution dated 31/8/2005, the state abolished the old pension rules, that is, Bihar Pension Rules, 1950, and replaced the same with new pension scheme, that is, Bihar Government Servant Contributory Pension Scheme 2005, with effect from 1/9/2005. Stop para. As per the new pension scheme, the employees appointed after 31/8/2005 shall be governed by the new contributory pension scheme, under which the government employees appointed after 31/8/2005 shall not be entitled to the pension. Family pension. Stop. The Bihar Research Society Taking Over Act 2007, hereinafter referred to as the Act 2007, came into force on 2/3/2009, resulting in taking over of the institute society where the husband of respondent number 1 was working. Stop. The husband of respondent number 1 died on 23/3/2013 while in service. Stop. The employees of the Forces Society were taken into government service YD order dated 25/3/2014 with effect from 2/3/2009. Stop. A corrigendum came to be issued by the state of Bihar amending the employment order dated 25/3/2014, substituting the word appointed with the word absorbed. Stop para. Clause 6 with inserted by the corrigendum stating that prior to date of acquisition, the service would not be calculated as government service. Stop. That respondent number 1 filed the writ petition before the High Court praying for family pension and other retirement benefits. Stop. By judgment and order dated 2/9/2015, the learned single judge allowed the said writ petition and directed the state to pay the family pension to respondent number 1 from the date of her husband's death, that is 23/3/2013. Stop para. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the judgment and order passed by the learned single judge allowing the family pension, the state preferred the letters patent appeal before the Division Bench of the High Court. Stop. By the impugned judgment and order, the High Court had dismissed the said appeal and has confirmed the judgment and order passed by the learned single judge, which has given rise to the present appeals. Stop para. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of the appellant has vehemently submitted that pension and family pension was available to the employees of the state government who were governed by the old pension rules. Stop. It is submitted that when the husband of respondent number 1 was absorbed in the year 2014 with effect from 2/3/2009, the old pension rules were abolished and the new contributory pension scheme was replaced. Stop. It is submitted that therefore, the old pension rules were not applicable to the husband of respondent number 1, and therefore, respondent number 1 shall not be entitled to the family pension under the old pension rules. Stop. It is submitted that the old pension rules were abolished on 1/9/2005, and thereafter, the new pension scheme came into force, therefore, new pension scheme was applicable to all the employees of the state government, who were appointed, absorbed on or after 1/9/2005. Stop para. It is submitted that a corrigendum dated 22/6/2015 was also issued by the government, making it evidently clear that the term of government service will be calculated only from the cut-off date, that is 2/3/2009, and the services of the adjusted employees, prior to date of acquisition in Bihar Research Society shall not be calculated as a government service. Stop. It is submitted that in that view of the matter, the High Court has committed a grave error in allowing the family pension applying the old pension rules, 1950. Stop. Making the above submissions, it is prayed to allow the present appeals. Stop. The present appeals are vehemently opposed by Miss Rachita Rai, learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1. Stop. It is vehemently submitted that the husband of respondent number 1 was observed in the state government service with effect from 2/3/2009 by way of adjustment YD section 5 of the Act 2007. Stop. It is submitted that it was not a fresh appointment, and therefore, his services were to be treated as continuous. Stop para. It is submitted that the husband of respondent number 1 died in harness and while in service, and therefore, as per clause 7 subclause 1 to the family pension scheme, on the death of her husband who died while in service, respondent number 1 was entitled to the family pension, and the family pension scheme being beneficial scheme, both, the learned single judge as well as the division bench of the High Court have rightly held that respondent number 1 is entitled to the benefit of the family pension scheme. Stop. We have heard learned counsel appearing on behalf of both the parties at length. Stop para. At the outset, it is required to be noted that the husband of respondent number 1 came to be observed in the government service in the year 2014 with effect from 2/3/2009. Stop. Till 2/3/2009, he remained the employee of the Bihar Research Society, of which he was an employee and working. Stop. The old pension rules 1950 came to be abolished, and the new contributory pension scheme came to be introduced with effect from 1/9/2005. Stop. Under the new contributory pension scheme, there is no provision for pension, family pension. Stop. As per the schemes, all those who are appointed after 31/8/2005 shall be governed by the new contributory pension scheme. Stop. Therefore, at the time when the husband of respondent number 1, who died in the year 2013, was absorbed, the old pension rules were abolished, and the new contributory pension scheme was in existence.